Entertainment. Demi Rose. Wiki, height, age, boyfriend, family, biography and more. Demi Rose. Demi Rose is an established British model, social media influencer, and global ambassador of women-centric website Pretty Little Thing. In 2016, she came into the spotlight after she was rumored to be in a relationship with Kylie Jenner's ex-boyfriend, Tyga. Demi Rose was born as Demi Rose Mobby on Monday, March 27, 1995, aged 27 years, as of 2022, in Birmingham, England. Her zodiac sign is Aries. She spent her childhood in Sutton Coldfield, West Midlands, England. She did her schooling at New Oscott Primary School and John Wilmot School, both are in Sutton Coldfield. Later, she attended Walsall College, England. Her father, Barry Mobby, was a bank manager who died in 2018 due to cancer, and her mother, Christine Mobby, was an NHS wheelchair advisor who died in 2018 due to a stomach infection. In 2016, Demi Rose was rumored to be in a relationship with the American rapper Tyga, Kylie Jenner's ex-boyfriend.